Hello, I'm Chandra Umapati, Global Marketing Director for Biosciences. POREX is leading the way in diagnostics by providing a complete collection-to-detection solution for today's demanding diagnostic applications. To get quick and reliable results, sample preparation is crucial, a process that can be both complicated and time-consuming. POREX offers FDA Class 1 disposable devices designed to speed test time and provide an all-in-one sample preparation system.
The POREX SQ-EASY devices are an optimal sample preparation system that provides sample containment, filtering, and transport possibilities. These devices can be used for all types of clinical samples including blood, serum, plasma, and urine, and are particularly effective in filtering viscous samples such as stool, saliva, and nasopharyngeal specimens. Both the SQ-EASY and Transit SQ-EASY consist of three components: the cap closure, the filter tip, and the tube. These are sold as separate components for your application flexibility. Different types of filtration media are available depending upon the test and sample requirements. Options include porous glass fiber membrane, advanced porous UHM WPE, HDPE materials, and custom material combinations. Let's take a look at how easy and effective these devices are to use. POREX SQ-EASY. Disposable and efficient, POREX SQ-EASY pre-filters are self-contained filtration systems for offline sample preparation applications. These pre-filters can also be used as part of an OEM rapid test kit. Samples can be filtered, vortexed, and dispensed all in one process. The SQ-EASY is interlocking for benchtop use.
You know how important the initial sample preparation is to ensuring fast and accurate test results. The POREX SQ-EASY and Transit SQ-EASY devices give you a fast and convenient way to prepare and filter samples while maintaining the sample integrity that will ensure accurate results. See why so many global companies in diagnostic testing rely on the POREX SQ-EASY to enhance their test kits and processes? Because we at POREX know it's the results that matter.